be the language problem and easy to control. Yeah. And find the solution. But about the AL is applied linguistics is important matter of the medicine that has to relate and like after we found that problem and then to make it like to make friendly again about that problem and then find out the real like the problem of the world and the difference of the linguistic without including of other. Like for example about the RA part 2, the first one is about the European. The traditional has to explore the USA through scholars such as Roman Jackson. And the last about the North American traditional of linguistics. They field work which require the intent to use lecturate information and the linguistic description of indigenous language for the purpose of culture. That's what I done. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Teacher and or classmate. And I want to let me she explain us a lot about what is AL or LA that means applied linguistics and linguistic applied. Then I want to add more definitely talk about applied linguistics that here that nowadays we start studying what is the interaction of applied linguistics, and we know that applied linguistics is one subject that is really has subject or that can we learn how to solve the solution problem in the real world, or can we want to find the language problem, but it's not easy to get the answer immediately. That we need to have a critical thinking or have the way to analyze what is the data that we got it from the other result or what is from the real problem. And apply it, that means that we learn to know that means apply teaching and solving problem, or can be to learn what is the history of language. But that means the difference about linguistic apply, that means we know that it have a concept of it, or can we can know a little bit, or can we can have a guide or apply a structure what should we apply it. That means that we like ask the press two examples at nearly the end of the presentation or plan. They talk about the North American traditional or what that we use the linguistic apply. We can talk about it. We know that it's talk about the traditional or the North American, but we want to search or the resolving or resolution to maybe to up there or to be that try to educate people or want to apply to any technique to make them know what is the reality of the one traditional or the one society, or it can be directly to find what is the main idea and we have the solution. That means that it's easy to control or to cut down what is the language problem in the real world. That can be like this.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, good. Thank you.
Hello, all classmates. Today I was present you about apply linguistics and linguistic apply. The first I will show you about apply linguistics. Apply linguistics is just play role, as the intervention, and it solve the problem or matter. And sometimes it can be reconcile different representative of reality of our life or reconcile between the language. And about the second point, linguistic apply, then we call it A. Just like scholar mean our example in the slide mean the European philological just exported to USA. And the second point, North American tradition of linguistics use indigenous language to purpose of cultural analysis. And the last point, followed by below 1933 on page 509, he said that the study of language may have also the understanding of control of human affairs. Mean when we use apply linguistics and linguistic apply it just work together and it have each other. Yes, that's all each other.
Okay, thank you.
We want now present to show about the difference between logistic applied and applied logistic. First we talk about the applied logistic. As we know that applied logistics is the way that we study from the study of foreign language as a second language, about the learning and speaking and teaching in the relate into the information in the program in the world, and use the applied statistics to solve the problem from the social and
Philosophy, right? Okay. Mm-hmm.
But for the logistic applies is a view of the thing to develop from the coming together of two traditional, for example, like the Europeans philological traditional, which was exported to the USA through the solar, such as Romance, Jacobian.
That's all right. Good. Okay, thank you. I suppose you continue, right?
I can use about the apply logistic and logistic apply.
Linguistic, right?
Look at the camera.
Apply logistic, it means the problem but easy to control.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Easy to control is that the problem can be conformalized by the direct and term deriving from logistic recovery itself. And logistic apply it means the problem the problem that we using to divide from the coming together.
Okay.
For example, the two the difference between two countries. The first, the European political tradition which was supported to the USA. So scholar scholars such as Roman just corruption. And the second example, the North American traditional of logistics. Also, political framework which require the intensive use of non-literate information and the logistic description of indigenous language for the purpose of cultural analysis.
That's it, right? Thank you.
Okay, for me, the presentation about the definition, the distinction, extension, and apply genetic and linguistic and apply and apply genetic. About the reduction equation to equation the term of linguistic apply and apply genetic, like the difference between this model for intuition of intuition is that on the cost of linguistic and assumption is that the problem can be reformulated by the direct or the unrelated application of a sub and term deriving from linguistic inquiry itself. That is, so say language problem and amenable to linguistic solution in the course of applied linguistic in intuition is classical matter and mediation applied linguistic has to relate to and reconcile different representations of reality include that of linguistic without excluding other. Example, my idea, I think some about the applied genetic, like also applied genetic and genetic applied. Like a problem about communicate with another foreign country, we use second language to explain or understand with another one to know about some problem. Some problem it help from
Okay, conference or meeting?
Conference or meeting
Mm-hmm.
in, you know, yeah,
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you. Good. We can say like if we're talking about the term of linguistic apply and applied linguistic, it should focus on one. We can say between the two, which one comes first? Between linguistic apply and applied linguistic.
Linguistic apply.
Linguistic apply, we can say, right?
Yeah.
So at first, okay, linguistic apply just comes first, and linguistic apply just focus on the problem as a whole, we can say. So yes.
We can say linguistic applies that what can be both and apply linguistic as it can be both.
Okay, it can be like that. Or the other part we can say like we can say like if we're talking about, actually we can say if we're talking about linguistic apply and apply linguistic, it perspective which is to study about the problem or issue in language learning and teaching, like what we have learned and discussed yesterday, right? Okay, and beside that we can say later on, okay, as they find out the way that linguistic apply, that they take the problem to study as a whole, so they cannot be solved effectively. Later on they just change it to apply linguistics, that they just try to take the small part of the whole problem in here to study more specifically.
Oh, that means
Did you get it? Yeah, we can say like it seems like similar to anatomy of the body part. We can say before they study the human as a whole body,
Yeah.
but later on they just want to study more specifically. They may take some part of the body to study.
Yeah.
Maybe move to study applied linguistics.
Yeah. So whenever they just focus on applied linguistics, mean they just take one specific problem to study it carefully,
Yeah.
and their finding will be more effective.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so something this is the difference between linguistic apply and applied linguistic. In short one, you can say, right? Okay, so something there.